Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right away. Open your spreadsheet and select the cells you want to change. Once selected, look to the toolbar's font drop-down at the top. That's where the change happens. If you don't see the toolbar, make sure the window isn't minimized or the sheet isn't in view-only mode. You can select a row or column header to apply fonts to many cells at once. Start with a small range to preview the result before applying sheet-wide. Now choose the font. Click the font drop-down and pick one you like. You'll see an instant preview in the selected cells, so you know how it looks before committing. Once done, adjust size, bold, or italics next to the drop-down to refine emphasis. If you need non-default fonts, type a name into the search field to find it faster. Make sure the font is supported, otherwise sheets will substitute a similar typeface automatically. Finish by applying the font to other ranges using the Paint Format tool or repeat the selection process. Once done, save changes. Sheets auto-saves, but confirm sync status at the top. If the font didn't update, make sure you have edit permission and try a hard refresh. Sometimes browser extensions or corporate policies block custom fonts. As a quick fix, revert with undo or set the font to a known default and reapply. Then test in another browser to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.